Very good morning, children. So far, you have seen the HCF, that is the highest common factors. Now, today, the last chapter we saw the multiples. You know what is multiples? Yes, multiples are nothing but the tables of that particular number. Tables of that particular number. Yes, children. Now, if I say that you are going to have tables of 4 and 6. 4 and 6. Okay, we are going to see the tables of 4 and 6. 4 and 6. What is the tables of 4 and 6? Yes, here 4, then 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36 and 40. Here 6, 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, yes, 36, then 42, yes, then 48, then 54, then 60. Yes, children. Now, in this, we are going to see which is the common number. What is this? This is the multiples. This is the multiples of 4 and 6. Now, in this, we have to see which are the numbers that are same. Which are the numbers that are same. Yes, children. So, in this, which are the numbers are same? We can see is 4 there, 8 there, no, 12 is there. Yes, 12. Then 24. Then 36. Yes, children. Now we are going to see the common multiples. As you know, that last topic also I have told you all about the common multiples. Now also I am going to take the common multiple. So common it is in that 12, 24 and 36. 12, 24 and 36. And we are going to see which is the least number in this. Which is the least number in this 3? In this 3, we have the least number is 12. So what is our topic today? The least, okay, least common multiples. So least common multiples or LCM. The least common multiples or LCM. Yes, children. So what is the LCM in this? Which is the least one? Least one is 12. As you know, in HCF we have two methods. We have two methods. One is listing method and the other one is division method. Likewise, in least common multiples or the LCM, we have the same listing method and division method. So now this is called as listing method. This is called as listing method. Why do I say it is listing method? Because I have listed all the multiples of 4 and 6. 4 and 6. I have listed all the multiples of 4 and 6. So shall I give you another example, children? Yes, 1 minute. So another example for listing is, I have given one more, the first example 4 and 6 and another one is 6 and 8. 6 and 8. So the same thing here, 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, 54 and 60 is your multiples of 6. So what is the multiples of 8? 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48. You know what is multiples, right? Multiples is the tables. Now after 48, okay, 56, then 64, then 72, then 80. Yes, children. So now in this we are going to see which is the common number. Which is the common number. So Can I see? Okay, 6 is there? No. 12 is there? No. 18 is there? No. 24 is common. So I take 24. 32 there? No. 40? No. 40. 48 is common. Yes, 48. Then that's all it is there. So 54, 64, 70, 70. So the common multiple is what? It is 24 and 48. 24 and 48. So least common multiple is how much? Okay. The least one within 24 and 48 is what? 24. 24 is the least one. Yes, children. Understood? Okay. Now, this is the listing method. I have listed out this method. Okay. The sums of. Now, I show you the division method. I show you the division method, how to do. Please concentrate, children, how to do the division method. Okay. The same way, they are going to give you 48 and 56. 48 and 56. The least number you have to take. Which is the least number? Yeah, least number is 2. Least number is 2. And you can say 2 goes in 48 as well as in 56. 2 goes in 48 as well as in 56. So, I take 2. Okay, children. I take 2. 2 goes in 48 2 times and 24 times. And in 56, it goes to 28 times. Yes. Then, again this will go in 2 times. So, I will take another 12. And here, it will go in which number? It will go 1 and 4. Yes. Now, these 2 tables, will it go again in 2 tables? It will go in again 2 tables. So, I am taking 2 goes in 12, 6 times. 2 goes in 14, 7 times. And now you can see only this number can be divided in 2. But this cannot be divided in 2 or any other number because this is a prime number. 7 is a prime number. Yes, children. So, I cannot divide this. So, what I do is I leave this as it is. Okay. Now, and I put a marker. Yes. Now, what I do? I take 2 into 2 into 2 into 6 into 7. Yes. So, I have to multiply like this. Children, like this I have to come. Understood? Like this I have to come. So, when I come like this, it will be 2 into 2 into 2 into 6 into 7. Okay. What is 2 2's? 2 2's is 4. 4 2's is what? 8. 8 6 is what? 8 6 is a 48. What is 48 7's? 48 into 7. Okay, 7 8 56. Yes, and 7 4's 28. 28 plus 5, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33. Yes, so what is my LCM here? Now 336. Yes, children, 336. Understood, children, this one? Yes. So this we call it as division. I am doing short division. Again I will explain for you all how to do this. Again I will explain. See, children, you have to take 48 and 56 and you have to see in which tables it will go. You can say, but since we are taking it as the least common multiple, so I have taken the least number, that is 2. Okay. 2 will go in 48 24 times. 2 will go in 56 28 times. Yes. Then again, now what I do, I come here. Now I will have these 2 numbers. I'll see which tables. This also will go in 2 tables. So 2 12s are 24. I am writing here. Then 2 14s are 28. Yes, children. Now again these two tables will go in two tables. These two numbers will go in two tables. So what I am doing, 2 sixes is 12 and 2 sevens is 14. But here I can see 6 and 7, one is a prime number and one is a composite number. So I cannot divide with any other number except for 1. Yes, children. So what I do is I leave that as it is. I leave that as it is. And what I do, I take 2 into 2 into 2 into 6 into 7. So 2 into 2 into 2 into 6 into 7. So what happens? 2 2s 4, 4 2s 8, 8 6s 48 and 48 7s is 336. 336. Yes, children. So my LCM is 336. Yes, children. I think you have understood. I'll show you one more sum. Yes, what 64 and 100. 64 and 100. Okay, the next one is 64 and 100. You can take it in 4 tables also. You can take it as 4 tables also, no problem. Okay, or you can take it as 2 tables also. 2 tables also you can take. Yeah, I'll take in 2 tables. 2 goes in 64 how many times? 2 3s are 6. 2 2s are 4. 2 goes here 50 times. Yes. And here again. Now will 2 go here and it will go here? 2 will go here. 2 will go here. Yes. So 2 tables. 2 goes here how many times in 32? 2 ones 2 and 1 16. 16 2s 32. 2 goes in 50 how many times? 25 times. Yes, children. Then what I do, I again bring it to the lesser number. I can go it in 4 tables. 4 4 16 and here you can say 4 cannot go in 25. So what I do is I bring down the 25 as it is. Okay, I bring down the 25 as it is. Okay, you can say ma'am we can leave it off like that only. But we have to divide it into the least number. So that is why we are bringing it down. Okay. Now again I am taking 4. 4 ones 4. And here also 4 does not go. So I bring 25 as it is. Okay. So 1 is 25 and 1 is 1. So okay. And if you want also I can do that again. So here 25 will go in which table? 5 tables. 25 will go in 5 tables. Okay. 25 will go in 5 tables. So I take 5 here. So 1 it will be as it is. Here 5 5 is 25. Yes. Okay. Then I leave this off like that only. Then okay. Now I am taking 2 into 2 into 4 into 4 into 5 into 5. Yes. See, 2 into 2 into 4 into 4 into 5 into 5. Okay. Now how it is? 2 2s 4, 4 4s 16. And what is 16 4s? Yes. 16 4s is what, children? Do you know? See, here also you can say, ma'am, we could have stopped here only. Yes. We could stop here only, you can say. Okay, if you want you can stop here only. Okay, and do it the same thing only you'll get. 2 2s 4, 4 4 16, 16 4s is 64 and what is 64 5s are? 64 5s. 5 4s 20, yes, and 6 5s 30, 32. Yeah. Then again I have 5. Okay, 5 0 0, 5 2 is 10, carry 1, 5 3 is 15 and 1 16. Yeah. So what is my LCM? 1600. 1600. Yes, children, I hope you have understood this LCM and try doing the sums in page number 106 and 107, checkpoint 5.2. Okay, children, thank you for watching. Thank you, children.